The Federal Reserve has held rates steady for a third straight meeting amid war-driven inflation fears and economic uncertainty. Chair Jerome Powell raised concerns over the Fed's independence as nominee Kevin Warsh moves closer to confirmation. Our Jun-hong starts us off.
The U.S. Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged at 3.5 to 3.75% on Wednesday, in what is likely to be Jerome Powell's final meeting as Fed chair. The decision was announced after a divided FOMC regular meeting and marks the third consecutive rate freeze this year. Explaining the move, the central bank pointed to mounting inflation pressure from rising global oil prices tied to the Middle East conflict, as well as growing economic uncertainty.
The U.S. economy has been expanding at a solid pace. While job gains have remained low, the unemployment rate has been little changed in recent months. Inflation has moved up and is elevated, in part reflecting the recent increase in global energy prices.
The decision was the most divided since 1992, with 4 dissenting, including 3 who took issue with language in the post-meeting statement that suggested the central bank could eventually resume rate cuts. The Fed said it remains committed to achieving its 2% inflation goal over time, adding it is prepared to adjust policy if risks threaten that path, a signal some analysts say leaves the door open to rate cuts. The meeting was also likely the final FOMC session under Jerome Powell. However, at a press conference on the same day, he said he plans to stay at the central bank as a member of its board of governors.
After my term as chair ends on May 15, I will continue to serve as a governor for a period of time to be determined. I plan to keep a low profile as a governor.
The June FOMC meeting is expected to be chaired by nominee Kevin Warsh. The Senate Banking Committee on Wednesday advanced Warsh's nomination to the full Senate, and if confirmed, he is expected to assume the role after Powell's term as chair ends. Jun-hong, Arirang News.